Aquaculture, often referred to as fish farming, is the cultivation of aquatic organisms such as fish, shellfish, and aquatic plants. It involves breeding, rearing, and harvesting these organisms in controlled environments. As global demand for seafood continues to rise, aquaculture has emerged as a sustainable solution to meet this demand while reducing pressure on wild fisheries. Aquaculture provides a reliable and efficient source of protein, contributing to global food security. It generates employment opportunities, particularly in coastal communities, and boosts local economies. Sustainable aquaculture practices can help conserve wild fish stocks and reduce overfishing. Seafood from aquaculture is a rich source of essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Healthy brood stock are selected and bred to produce offspring with desirable traits. Fertilized eggs are hatched in controlled environments, and larvae are reared until they reach a suitable size for transfer to grow-out systems. Juvenile organisms are raised in ponds, cages, or recirculating aquaculture systems until they reach market size. Mature organisms are harvested using various methods, such as netting, draining ponds, or siphoning. While aquaculture offers significant benefits, it faces challenges such as disease outbreaks, environmental impacts, and market fluctuations. To ensure the sustainability of aquaculture, it is crucial to adopt responsible practices, including implementing strict biosecurity measures and developing effective vaccines and treatments, minimizing pollution, reducing feed waste, and conserving water resources, promoting fair labor practices and addressing social and economic impacts, and adopting advanced technologies like recirculating aquaculture systems and automated feeding systems to improve efficiency and reduce environmental footprint. By addressing these challenges and embracing sustainable practices, aquaculture can continue to play a vital role in meeting the world's growing demand for seafood while safeguarding our marine ecosystems.